So hello and welcome guys, my name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade. Welcome back, welcome to the new consultation of Olymp Trade. So we are going to discuss today about some more details, some more things with a different style. So guys, Olymp Trade is always providing you some basic things, and for helping this session, how to open the trade, how to just understand the trading, what is the basics of the trading, and this is we are going to discuss. Waiting for you all here. A warm welcome to all of you guys. My name is Hemant. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade Broker. I am here to help you for trading. So Olymp Trade is always providing you some kind of helping sessions in YouTube, in Hindi and English, different languages, and we are here to help you. We are going to discuss about some particular things like how to open the trades by using the strategy, what is the basics of the trading, how to get the signals, what is the entry point, and the overall thing is the basic learning of trading. Alright, so we are here to help you. What you need to do, just watch this video carefully, and according to that just open the trade. Try to do some practice according to the webinar, and then let us know that how you are getting the results from these consultations. Okay, so I will going to open some of the trades in front of you. I would like to request you, please do not copy the trades, because the trading is very risky thing. What you need to do, you need to just understand the basics, the way which I am just providing you of trading, and according to that you should start your trading. And also there is a one more thing, trading is very risky, and another thing is that in trading, what is the moral situation? We are in a live stream. In the live stream there is a gap. So according to that gap, maybe when I open the trade and you see after some time, in that situation better to not open the trade and just understand what's going on, and accordingly you can open the trade after some time. All right, so let's start. Welcome sir. I didn't see too many people here, but it's okay, the video will be here, so don't worry. What is the strategy? Strategy is basically the computerized tool which is help you to understand how to get the signals from the strategies or indicator. And also in the strategies we can only do one thing, like we should understand the entry point of the trade and from where we can get the signals. So what do we need to do? We should go to here on the technical analysis option. Here is a technical analysis. You should go to the technical analysis, just click it over here, and then you will see there is a 5-6 type of options. So basically it will show you in your mobile application like this. So on the top you can see the SMA, EMA, everything, and the bottom of the list you can see the indicators. The same thing you will see in every situation, but it's coming on the horizontal level. You need to click to the strategy, just touch it over here, and then you will see the strategies. Basically it depends on your status, I mean the status of your account. If you are an advanced status holder, then you will have a 7 strategies, which is the green one, you can see it. But if you are the starter status, then you will get only these strategy of the blue badge, and in advance 7 and 8, total number of 15. In case if you are an expert status holder, then you will have a chance to get these 8 more strategies, and the number of strategies is going to be 23. So we are going to discuss about the strategy. The name of the strategy is confrontation. A very nice strategy. Once you click to the strategy, you will see there is a small video. in the separate window. The small video can show you like if you are not remember, if you forgot anything and any situation, what you can do, just click it over here and you just remind your strategy. Below the strategy you can see there is a basics of the strategy and components. Once what I need to do, I need to click to the strategy. When we clicked it, you can see the all information of the strategy. The strategy belongs of what and what. So here we have the components, the parabolic SAR indicator with the parameter of 0.02. Oscillator we have two, Beer's power and Bull's power. This is a oscillator which I can say that working combinedly together, because you cannot use the only Bull's power or only Beer's power for using this strategy. So once we click to the enable strategy, the strategy is already set on the account. Now I will try to open some trades as well, because this is a crucial time of trading, because after half hour just we will have a one big economic news of Bank of America, and after 37 minutes all three news is coming. Some news of USA is also coming, so and American market is also going to be open in half hour. So basically what we need to do, we need to be very careful while open the trading. Till that time we will discuss about this strategy also. So the strategy is based on the Bulls and Bears power with the period of 13 as well as the parabolic SAR with the period of 0.02%. The Bulls power, compare what is the Bulls power, guys. First of all, understand this is the Bulls power. As below the chart you can see there is a green lines with the horizontal level and showing you in the histogram situation, and it's time to time going either below the horizontal level or either above the horizontal level. That is called the Bulls power. So the Bulls power basically compare the high of the current candle with the EMA 13, which is the indicator. Bulls equal to high. The bulls basically, as per there is a theory, I mean many of the peoples of like you, maybe you saw in the Wall Street there is a bull and globe and bear. Even in the India of the Dalal Street there is a bull, globe and bear. So bull basically representing the higher situation and bear is representing of a bottom situation, lower situation. So the bears is compared with the low with the current candle with the EMA 13. So basically this is the oscillator we have, and a parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR basically developed by the owner of the parabolic SAR is Mr. J. Wallace Jr. and it's mainly used to determine the future short-term momentum of the given asset. Any of the asset which is we are just watching, if we want to open the trade for a short-term momentum, we can check the parabolic SAR, and parabolic SAR can provide us a signal according to the short-term momentum. Till that time I can see some situation, and if some of you aware about this strategy, I would like to please request you to please send the name of the asset. If you find some signal over there, I will definitely start trading right now as well. Anyhow, I need to show you how to open the trades. And also if you have any questions, anything, please, I would like to request you send your questions in the chat box. So the bulls and bears power work as a counter trend indicator. Now what is the counter trend? That determine the direction of the trend and find the reversal point. So we always know, we always find the signal that when the chart is going up and when the chart is going down. So this is the indicator which is providing you the basic knowledge of reversal point or a counter trend system, that when the price of asset is going down or when the price of asset is going up. Parabolics are basically, before parabolics are, let's discuss one more thing, guys. You can detect a trend reversal, increase or decrease in the price of asset. Bull power actually generate the signal for an upper trend. Bear's power generate the signal for a downtrend. Means if you can check it over here, see, this is the bull power in a green lines. So when you see the green signal, it's comparatively high to the red signal of the downsides. So that's what the bull's power is actually working according to the green signals, and it's showing the representing the green signals for an upper trend. So it's even more powerful than red signals. But when you see the downside signal, you can check it over here. Give me a second, please. Yeah. So here you can see the downside signal is more powerful than green signal. Means the bear's power signals is more powerful than the bull's power. Parabolic SAR is on the above side. As you can see, there is a dots of the pink color. This is called the parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR is an indicator that follows the trend and determines the reversal point of the price channel. Visually, it takes a form of the series of dots and that are either above or below the price chart. What is the meaning of above and below the price chart? So, let me show you. Whenever we see the parabolic SAR is just trending below the price chart, means the candlesticks, usually it's showing you the signal for an upper trend, or we can say there is a chance that trend might be go up. Whenever the parabolic SAR change. Now SAR, what is the meaning of SAR? SAR, parabolic SAR, stop and reverse. So here you see the trend is stopped, parabolic SAR is also stopped, and it's reverse for an upper side. So here it's going to the upper on the chart or the candlestick. So whenever the trend is going up, the parabolic is going above on the chart, so we can say that trend might go down. I opened a trade in front of you guys and you see my first trade is already positive. However, I will let you know how to properly open the trade by using this strategy. So basically, parabolic and bull's power, bear's power, we need to just check all three things, and we need to combine the signal, and we need to wait for the all three signals, and according to that and watching after this, we can open the trade for an upper side and downside. So let me try to find some assets, because it's very important to you to find a proper asset. See, always remember, the profitable trades are not coming to you by their own. Like, you need to do some efforts for that, and for this you need to change the asset on the timely basis. Whenever you see the signal, you could open the trade easily. So what we need to do, we need to go for here in the asset section. Usually it's showing any profitability, no need to click on the favorites and all markets. Go to the any profitability and click to the over 80%. Just click to the over 80% and you will find the assets which is providing you the minimum profitability of 80% and maximum according to your status. Right now I am in the expert status, so I will have a chance to see the maximum profitability of 93%. So let's start. Okay, I think there is a signal, but unfortunately the candle is passed, so let me open with a 1 minute time frame. Okay, here you can understand it's a small signal. So what we see, the parabolic SAR is already downside, but remember one thing, if you choose the graph time minimum to 2 minute to less than 2 minute even graph time, I can say, then you should open the trade always with the second dot of the parabolic. I'm sorry for this sound. So here as a signal, the parabolic is below the line, but it's not the second dot, it's a first dot. However, the bull's power is already coming above the line. It means the line parabolic bull's power is already crossed the line. Now here if I open the trade, let's check the signal. Okay, this is the second dot. The bull's power is above the line, but the bear's power is below the line. So all three signals are not matching. What we need here, the bull's power and bear's power both should be above the horizontal line. On that time we could open the trade. The timing which I choose, that is also absolutely wrong. See, I am not the son of the god, na. I am also having a chance to get some unsuccessful trade, and if I am always going to open and showing you the correct scenario, because you didn't understand, you didn't know. Sometimes you didn't know how to open the trade, where to open the trade, where what we need to do. So this is the way which I am just providing to you. Time frame should be always 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. Remember, time frame should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. Means if I could choose the graph time of 1 minute, then the trading time I need to choose 2 to 3 minute minimum. Minimum 2 minutes to maximum 3, minimum 2, 3, even 4 minutes also. If you choose the graph time less than 1 minute, suppose 30-second graph time you choose, then the trading time should be minimum 1 minute, because we didn't have any other candle for 1.5 minute types. So at least you can choose the 1 minute time frame over here as well. So let's find some signal, guys, and if you have some, then please let me know. That I already provided you the way how to find the signal properly over there. European Composite Index, not so much signal we have. What is the meaning of not so much signal or there is no signal? Remember, this is the crucial type of trend always, because here the trend is not going up or not going down. It's working on the same path, same way, and this is a slightly, I can say, trend of uncertainty. In this situation, I usually advise to my trader, please do not open the trade, because this is the actually the reason and cause of your unsuccessful trades, guys. So please always open your eyes and open your mind while opening the trade. So let's find some signals and open the trade. Unfortunately, the trend is a little bit uncertain because there is a big event is coming after half hour. So not even one, there is a two big news. One news is the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. Is the Bank of Canada is going to change the interest rate or not? So they will decide today. Or other is one news belongs to the USA. Okay, fine. Always try to find the signals in changing the asset situation. This is the best way to open the trade, always. However, there is not so big signal, so I just open some trades and I'll show you the results, but it's not showing too much. Okay, let's wait for this. If this candle is grow and closing on the above side of this level, so maybe we will have a chance to get the bulls power is also above the line. In that situation, we can open the trade, but this level is a little bit crucial. All right, yep, we have something. Let's open the trade here also. So signal, understand, right now I'm just showing you the normal things. However, the proper signal, if you can say, here we have the signal from a downer side. What is the difference in between normal signal, bad signal, and starting signal? When the trend has been changed, you see, when the trend has been changed, now there is a new situation or of the upper trend is started. In that situation, we have the both signals over here, sorry, three signals. So parabolic on the downside, bulls power on the upper side, bears power in the upper side of the horizontal line. So we need to open the trade right here. That is the entry point. Even if you can check, I could open the trade at the same time when I saw the candle is open. What is the meaning? See, entry point should be always solid, guys. If your entry point is good in trading, then you will get the higher chance to get a profitability. If you choose that graph time of 1 minute, so the duration time of candle is 60 seconds. Okay, on 60-second situation, you need to open the trade on first 10 seconds. Please try to open the trade in first 10 seconds. Okay, If suppose you miss the first 10 seconds, then what? Try to open the trade in first 20 seconds. If you will have a chance to open the trade in first 20 seconds, please open the trade. If you already see that 20 seconds is passed, then please wait for the next candle. Do not open the trade. So what is the result of our last two trades? Let's see. Okay, one trade is positive, one trade is negative. So down trade is positive, upper trade is negative. However, I am using the risk-free trade, so it's not going to be affect too much on my P&L. But yeah, one trade is positive, one trade is negative. This is the scenario we have. All right, here we see in the Dow Jones, the signal is suddenly, the candle is suddenly go up, and maybe we will get the signal. So let's wait for the 30 more seconds. But what is the signal is not matching now, guys? Understand again, for our upper trend, parabolic should be below the line, bull's power should be above the horizontal line, and bear's power also should be above the horizontal line. But what is here? Parabolic and bull's power is providing us a signal, but bull's power is actually below the line. So one signal is not matching from the bear's power. Here we have a signal. Let's try. Okay. So I open the trade right in before 10 seconds, but the trend is down. You know what is the reason behind this? Okay, check this out. The closing of this candle is going too much up, but it's close a little bit down. The next candle already open on the same price, but let's check this previous candles. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the level which is not so easy for the Dow Jones or these candles, that it's always providing a problem to cross the level. Check this out. However, still our trade is running, but try to not open the trade in that situation. Usually we always have a question from the trader. When I open the trade, I saw my trend, the trend is going opposite. So the same thing happened with me. When I open this trade, after the opening the trade, my trend is going down. Why? Because I opened the trade without checking the previous level. So if it's started from here, if you can check, it's direct line from here to here, clear line. So this is the cause. Now for downside situation, this is the level here, and what we need to do, we need to check is this candle is going to close below this level or above this level. So accordingly we can open the next trade. Okay, so let's find some more signals. Parabolic is on a different zone, and bull's power, bear's power is on a different zone. What we need here, if the bull's power, bear's power is on the upper side, we need the parabolic should be below the candlestick. Okay, let's find some more. Euro, Canadian dollar. All signals are on a different GBP, JPY. The market is actually uncertain. Basically, in this situation, like whenever you see all indicator and oscillator provide you with a different type of signals not matching with each other, and what you need to do, don't open the trade. It's not necessary to open the trade every time. Trust me, this is your market, and the market is always giving you the chance to open the trade, but it's not necessary to open the trade every time, because market can be volatile, market can be in the zone of the uncertainty. There is a maybe the biggest some important and big economic news is going to come. So in that situation, market is just become volatile or not too much stable, or maybe the uncertain, this kind of candles as you can see right now you will get. So try to not open the trade. Let the market become settled and open the trade after some time. No need to open the trade in a hurry. Let me change the graph from 1 minute to 30 second, and let's try again from the beginning. So Asia Composite Index, the candle is down, parabolic is up, bearish power is down, but bullish power is up. Okay, here we have a signal. Let's open a trade. I need to open the trade for 1 minute. It's okay. All right, crypto index. No, first you need to understand the signal for a downside situation. Check this out. Parabolic is down, second dot is here, bearish power is below the line, bullish power is below the line. All three signals are matching, and we could open the trade for 2 times higher than your graph time situation. What I did actually, I put the graph time of 30 seconds and I opened the trade for a 2 minute time frame. However, this is also not a problematic thing. But usually the condition is your trading and graph time, the difference of both of them is 2 to 3 times higher. So if this is the 30-second graph you choose or I choose, so the trading time I can choose for the 1 minute time frame. And what happened? Still all three trades are in positive directions. I opened all three trades in a downside, guys. So all three trades in a positive direction. One trade is already closed. Let's see the result of these two trades. Okay, I hope this is also going to be positive. So 10, yep. This is how we can open the trade in this confrontation strategy. If you have any questions, anything, please send your details on questions to the comment box. Some important things. So before starting some lecture, let me provide you more details again. So recommended time frame, if you want to open the trade in a low risk situation, so graph time should be 1 minute, trading time should be 2 to 4 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute or 4 minute. If you want to open the downtrend, parabolic should be above the chart and the dot should be second, bearish power and bullish power both should be below the level 0, means horizontal line. If you want to open the, you can check it out, all three trades are positive, all three trades. So if you wanted to open a trade for a upper side, again the recommended time frame is 1 minute, duration for the trading 2 to 4 minute, parabolic should be below the chart and dot should be second, bearish and bullish power both oscillators should be above the horizontal line. Some basic things, I mean recommendations for you. Price of high condition of the period of the high market activity. And what is the high market activity? This is I call the high market activity when we see the proper signals for a downside, and if you can see the proper signals for down and up, like when you see the parabolics are bullish power and bearish power smoothly going up down, this is called the high market activity period, and you can easily open the trade by using the strategy, not even this one, any. This is I can say the low market activity period right now. As you can see, the one candle green, one candle red, there is no too much any contributions of the candles or other things. So this is I call the low market active period. Try to not open the trade here high. However, candlestick is showing the signal, but strategy, always remember, the strategy is not the guarantee of the success. Means if you can use the strategy, it doesn't mean that you will have a chance to get 100% profitable result. Nobody can get. However, if you use the strategy properly with the practice and with the proper knowledge of the strategy and using the all parameters properly, then you will get the profitability which is going to maximum more than 80%, but it's not going to be 100% because it depends on the market, it depends on your emotions, it depends your way of the tradings, and it depends on the economic news on that time. Time frame I discussed with you. So the most active time frame for the trading, guys, usually in 24 hours you can open the trade anytime, but there is a particular time also. As per Indian Standard Time, afternoon 12:30 p.m. to evening 10:30 p.m. is a good time to open the trade. As per the international market, I can say UTC +3, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. a good time to open the trade. Try to avoid trading during the news releases of important economic news. I mentioned it before. Try to avoid it. Always select the asset which is providing you the profitability of minimum 80% to up to 93% according to your stats. I mean, do not open the trade and do not take a risk to the asset which is providing you the 10%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. Doesn't matter if you are going to open the trade for from the $1 or $1,000, but if we are going to take a risk for our money from our side, our money, so why we should not take a risk from at least minimum 80%, so that we will get a proper profitability according to our trading, right? Now let's discuss about the Martingale system, because Martingale system is a very useful thing to open the trade over here. How to open the trade by using the Martingale system? So as you can see, I started the trade with the $5. That trade was fine. Again, the next trade I open with the $5. Let's assume that this trade is going negative. I lose the $5. However, it was not. So again, I open the trade with the $10. So basically, the scenario is like, let's assume that you have $1,000 in your account. If you have $1,000 in your account, then start your trading with the 1% of your balance, and that is $10. Start your trade with the $10. If you are getting a profitability of the $10, then continue trading with the $10. Do not change your amount, please. Don't change your amount. Just continue your trading with the $10. If you see that your $10 trade is going negative, then what you need to do, you need to open the trade with the double amount of the first trade, means the $10, double amount of the $10. What is that? $20. So if you are going to take the profitability from the $20, okay, let me show you some of my trades. What happening whenever I'm opening the trade? So at that time I opened the trade with the volatile market, so I got the 3 unsuccessful trade. However, I didn't open the 4th trade. I will, because this is a level of 4 trading, so 50, 100, 200. But before, if you can see, today there is a funny situation with me. I open a trade with the $50 and that trade is going negative, 50 USDT, and then I use the Martingale with 100 positive. So I recover my 50 USDT and I got a profitability. Then I open with again 50, that is an unsuccessful. Then I again open with the 100, then I got a profitability. So I am using the 30-second time frame. In the 30-second time frame situation, you need to choose the graph time of 15 seconds. Don't use the graph time even higher or lesser than 50 seconds. So 15 seconds is the best way to open the trade if you wanted to open the trade for 30 seconds or 45 seconds. So the same scenario happened till here. Plus minus, plus minus. When the trade is going to be plus, I recover the amount and getting some profitability. So again, I am repeating. $10, $20. If your second trade is going to positive, then you will have a chance to recover the last trade amount as well as some profitability of that trade. Third trade is again start with the $10. And let's suppose that your 2 trades is going negative. Remember this thing, guys. If your 2 trades are constantly going negative, continuously, if you see that your 2 trades are negative, then try to avoid trading in the same asset. Change the time frame as well. And if possible, change the strategy as well. And start your third trade with the $40. This higher, 2 times higher than your second trade amount. Start your trade with the $40. If your third trade of $40 going positive, then what? Recovery of the last 2 trades and some profitability also. Okay, let's suppose your third trade is also going negative, then you need to open the last trade, fourth trade. Why and how this is related to your trading, I'll let you know. Fourth trade you are going to open with the 2 times higher amount of your third trade. So third trade amount was $40, so you need to open the trade with the 80 to 100. Why? Because it depends that what profitability you choose. If you choose the 80% asset and open the trade with the $80, then all three trades recovery is not possible. Either you need to open the trade with 90 or $100. If you choose the profitability of 85, 90 or 93, then you can open the trade with $80, no worries. So you can see it constantly, my trade is going positive, guys, and I open the trade in front of you. So if your fourth trade is going positive, then you will have a chance to recover all your loss of last three trades. Please take a small break, take a deep breath, and come back after the break. Start your trade again with the $10. What if you have 4 unsuccessful trade? It can be happen, guys. You will have a chance to get 4 unsuccessful trade. Reason behind of this, only 2. Reason number 1, either you are doing the same mistakes which is you are doing before in your trading, or reason number 2, every time you are not the person who's doing mistakes. Sometimes market is also not good, volatile or bad. So in that situation, don't worry, stop your trading, take a small break, come back after some time and start your trade again with the $10. Now this is related with the what thing. So this is the Martingale system. Let's discuss about some more basics and tips for you. We are always coming to the Olymptrade for getting some, kind of pocket money of 20 to 30%, which we will get in a month. But unfortunately what happened, we got this money. But we, just because we feel like, okay, this is a very easy way to get the money, we are just getting some kind of over expectations. So don't be overconfident and over expected, sir. Because in that situation, we start doing mistakes. We unnecessarily start taking risk to open the trade with the higher amount without any need. And suddenly after 2-3 trades, what happened? We are getting some unsuccessful trades. And after the unsuccessful trade and we lose the profitability of the last sum of the trades, we feel like frustrated or sad. So on this situation, we wanted to recover the all amount on the same time. At the same time, we wanted to recover the amount. It's absolutely wrong. This is basically, at this time, your emotions is too high, and your emotions is the basic thing and cause of your losses as well. So it's very important to make a balance in between your emotions and trade. Why? It's your emotions, 100% your emotions. Whenever you are having any kind of emotions like greed, like excitement, overconfidence or frustration, you are the person who knows like what exactly I'm feeling right now. So at this moment, first of all, the rule number 1, please do not rise your amount for trading. Just stick with the 1 to 5% of your balance. Always open the trade from 1% to 5%. This is the basic thing, first of all. And you need to understand that right now I'm in an emotion, so I need to control my trading. If you are not going to control yourself, then just because of these emotions, you are just continuously doing mistakes. Mistake means losses, guys, unsuccessful trades. So if you can control yourself, you will save from this thing. Be stick with the strategies and be confident. Patience is the key of the success, guys. Always remember. So after 4 successful trade or after 4 unsuccessful trades, this is a normal theory, guys. After 4 successful or 4 unsuccessful trade, try to take a small break. Now it depends on you what will be the timing of that break. I mean 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it depends on you as how early you become calm from these emotions. As early you feel like, okay, right now I'm fine, so I'm perfectly well, then you can start your trade again, because on that time the cloud of the emotion is gone from your head. And also don't be feel like addiction of the trading. Make a good habit of the trading. You know, some people's what they are doing every time, at the time of eating, sleeping, doing anything, they just took their phone and doing trading. No, just make yourself and understand one, make yourself confident and understand one thing. This is not a game. This is not a gambling. This is not a kind of betting side. This is a pure business of yours. Your money is involving here. Your money is involved here. So what you need to do, you need to be very active and take it seriously. Learning the basics things. Learning is the most important key, sir. So if you wanted to learn more, we are here. We are providing the webinars in YouTube in English and different language on the same channel, different days. If you want more, then here is the help section. You need to go to the help section and a separate section available here which is called education. Go to the education section and here you will find each and everything which is according to your need. How to start trading, fixed time guide, fixed time strategies, forex guide, forex strategies, stocks guide, risk and money management, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, chart, Japanese candlesticks, formations, even drawing tools, indicators, oscillator, and the trading advices. Please expend at least minimum half hour of your day for the study this situation, because learning is the way of earning, guys. Be confident. Don't open the trade like a gambling situation, like I wanted to be rich in a 5 second. You need to learn, and don't use your money like a throwing situation. It's your money. You got this money with the too much efforts. So please respect your money and your time. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for listening me calmly. I didn't get any too much questions from your side. So I hope you like this webinar. This webinar will be on this YouTube channel. So whenever you want, you can check this out. Next webinar will be on Friday at same time. Till that time, please take care of yourself. Have a nice day.